We at WAGO and also our customer using the energy data management mainly for three aspects. One is to increase efficiency, to reduce costs and to reduce CO2 emissions. The second point is to fulfill legal requirements, like the implementation of an ISO 50001, or at least the transparency about the energy flow and the health status of their assets and plants. The energy data management is the heart of your energy management system. With the flexibility and scalability, it's easy to install in greenfield as in brownfield applications. With 5 aspects, we have implemented mainly all functionalities you need, beginning with data acquisition, data storage, data preprocessing, data transfer, and at least data visualization. But let's have a look on the topology. On the bottom, you can see that we can connect several sensors and field bus protocols to our PLC. This allows you to install or to implement existing and as well new sensors. The PLC will store the data and pre-process these informations. After that, you can transfer it in different other third-party solutions or in the WAGO cloud, and at least you can directly visualize these data on the PLC. With the energy data management, WAGO offers a ready-to-use solution. You just have to go 5 steps to get your solution. Step 1. Define the needed hardware. Step 2. Download the software on our website, and you can test this software 30 days for free. Step 3. Please install the needed hardware. Step 4. Configure the data acquisition and the storage and the visualization via our web service. And at least step 5, you can visualize your data